Hi everybody. Today we are going to discuss about the trunking and grade of service. So in that the fundamental of wireless communication. So trunking and grade of service plays another role. So trunking and grade of service. So we have the limited number of channels is the problem statement, and then many users. These are the some empathy part. And the telephoning system has a 4 user and 3 channels, and how it is possible. And these are the important things in the problem statements. So trunking theory, we have more number of office, so that is a central office. So and then other end also, both one end and other end. So we have the central office. So in the central office we have the trunk is available. So with the help of the connections we can able to establish the connections. That is a capacity of the proper communications available in the GoS. So GoS is a grade of service, that is the measure the user's ability to access the trunked system during the busiest hour. So whenever we need, that's a requirement time, so we can able to communicate with one end to other end. It's the main thing. So trunking theory was represented by Erling in the late 19th century. It helped the establishing trunking systems. So how the trunking system in the sense? So both the end will be meet, that is a server and receiver. So we can able to communicate the information, provide the communication services to large group of users with a limited number of variety of channel in the systems. So main major thing. So trunking theory is also the PSTN and cellular radio systems, public switching telephone network systems and cellular radio systems exports the trunking theory. Cover the large number of user community with the limited number of circuits, the frequency spectrum and all. So the trunking radio having the lines, so in that we can split into the all channels that is used to other ends. So channel A, channel B we have in that controller, in that controller we can give the, like it is a talk group, so we can able to establish a connection, like a switching connection we can establish the connectivity. And then common terms, there is a set of times and a blocked call and a holding time and load and request rate are the major roles. The setup time is the time required to allocate the channel for the particular requesting user. So these are the setup time in the olden days, what we in the mobile communication, the setup time is very, very important. So waiting time is also available. So that is a setup time. So once one user is speaking now, we have to wait some more times and then able to connect the other end users. That is a setup time. So blocked call in the sense call which cannot become completed at the time of request, also called as a last call. That is a blocked call. And then there is a last call. After that, not able to make a call. That's a holding time. The average duration of the typical time they donated by that is a holding time. So how much time it will hold the particular call. The traffic load is something but traffic intensity across the entire trunked systems. The entire connectivity, how much traffic is available, depend upon the traffic level, the load is occur. Okay. Requested something what is the average number of requesting as per the unit time. So we can donate it in the help of lambda. So this is all the important things. So that we have several types. So blocked calls cleared and then blocked calls delayed. So this is the major difference of these two trunkless systems. So calls cleared in the sense after requesting for the call request, and then for every requesting user no number of setup time and user is given to the immediate to access the channel is available. If no channels available, requesting user is blocked and free and try again another later or try again in another time. So blocked call display is offer queue and holding the calls which is blocked in the channels. It's the main thing available in the users. And then grade of service, that is a GoS. So grade of service is a likelihood that is called as a blocked. That is EAS, like that we can able to communicate with the help of the traffic. We can able to communicate. This is the grid of service equations. So grid of service is an important thing, how they providing the service with the help of the communication, help of the mobile communication. Thank you.